To get your garage door down on the back of your tow hauler, you're gonna have to release the 2 locks on each side. You'll do that by releasing the lock lever, pulling up, pushing it aside. You want this bar away from this door. Come on to the other side, do the same thing. Again, make sure that this bar is past your garage door. There's a grab handle here. Just start to pull it down. As you can see, it takes 1 person to do this. It's balanced just right, so it's not that heavy. Then you can go ahead and set your ramp down. Now, once you do that, you're gonna wanna open it up so you can get your toys inside. So you'll start by opening up this to the side. Open up this to the side. This has the optional patio. And then you wanna release these doors in here. These are your 4-season porch doors. Release the locks here. Release your lock there. And now you're all set, so you can start to load your toys inside. Now, once you get inside the garage area, you're gonna notice you're gonna have a storage place to put your tow chains, tie straps, whatever you need, so it's not laying in the garage. Also, you'll have your support hooks for your tie downs, so you can tie your toys down while traveling. Also, you're gonna have 2 vents, so you can open up the vents, so it'll ventilize inside. Of course, you may have some gas-powered ATVs in here, dirt bikes, whatever, but it'll be ventilated for you for your safety. All right, when you're ready to leave, you can just go ahead, pull up in your ramp door. Again, very easy to do. I got 1 hand on this. Very easy to do. Pull it all the way up. Grab your lock handle, release your lock lever. This is gonna be used to lock this handle in place. You can install a lock on it, so your equipment's protected. Lock it in place. Bring it over, lock it in place.